Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss some example for the solution of trigonometric equation. So in this example I'm going to show how to solve 5 cos square x minus 2 cos 2x equals to 3 for the domain 0 until 2 pi. So at first I'm going to make use of the formula to convert the angle 2x become x. So my suggestion would be using the double angle to convert the 2x become x. So now I'm going to substitute cos 2x. So we will have 5 cos square x minus 2 bracket 2 cos square x minus 1 equals to 3. Next, I'm going to expand the situation. 5 cos square x minus 4 cos square x plus 2 minus 3 equals to 0. Simplify the situation and we will have cos square x minus 1 equals to 0. Next, I'm going to factorize the situation and we will have cos x minus 1 bracket cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So finally, cos x is equals to 1, cos x is equals to negative 1. So now we are going to find the value of x. Let's refer to the left hand side. Cos x is equals to 1. Step number 1, observe the situation. In this case, cos x is positive. So the quadrant will be the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant where we have the basic angle. So the second step is to determine the basic angle. So for cos x is equals to 1, the basic angle will be 0 degree. Step number 3 will be the range. So for this case, given the range is 0 until 2 pi. So my preference is by using the angle. So it will be the 0 degree until 360 degree. So for this case, the basic angle is x and our range also x. So no modification is needed. Step number 4, the diagram and the rotation. So now I'm going to illustrate the situation where we have observe, meaning that the first and the fourth quadrant. Second one will be the basic angle. So the basic angle is 0. So my basic angle will be located in between the first and the fourth quadrant. Range. So the range will be 0 until 360 degree. So 0 will be the starting point until 360. So in here we have 2 points of intersection. So number 5 will be the solution. So the solution for this case will be x equals to number 1 will be 0 degree. Number 2 will be 360 degree. So next we are going to move on to the right hand side, which will be the cos x is equals to negative 1. So for step number 1, cos x is equals to negative 1. So in this case, cos x is negative. So the location for cos negative will be the second quadrant and the third quadrant where we have the basic angle. Next, we are going to find the basic angle. So cos x is equals to 1. Do remember to ignore or neglect the sign of negative. So the basic angle will be equals to 0 degree. And then third step will be the range. So in this case, the range is the same. So the range will be 0 until 360 degree. By referring to the information, so number 1, the quadrant will be the second and the third quadrant. Number 2, the basic angle is 0. So here will be the basic angle located in between second and the third quadrant. Next, we have the rotation, meaning that the range start from 0 until 360. So we have only one intersection. So finally, we have the solution, and the answer will be x is equals to 180 degree. So do remember to convert the degree into radian. So final answer, x will be equals to 0 radian. Next will be pi. And then followed by the final one will be 2 pi radian. So here we are, and thanks for watching.